Hi kids. Okay, today I'm going to read you the written assessment 23 for our math test. So you should have that in front of you, written assessment 23, and I will read the questions out loud to you, just like we did in school when we were taking a test. So let's do your own work on this, and that way we can, your parents and I can make sure that you understand all of the concepts. Okay, here we go. Number 1. By the way, put your name and date at the top, please, and your number. Okay, number 1. Mrs. Sarno has 4 packages of markers. Each package has 5 markers. Draw a picture to show the markers. How many markers does Mrs. Sarno have altogether? Okay, underline how many markers does Mrs. Sarno have altogether. That's what we're finding out. Okay, then you will do a number sentence and the answer. Number sentence needs to be labeled. I'm going to read it again. Mrs. Sarno has 4 packages of markers. Each package has 5 markers. Draw a picture to show the markers. How many markers does Mrs. Sarno have altogether? And for number 2, you're going to need your ruler. So if you do not have that with you, press pause and go get your ruler and then come back and press play again. And remember, you'll know how to spell markers because it's in the word problem, isn't it? Number 2, measure the length of each side of this shape using centimeters. Measure the length of each side of this shape using centimeters. And then underneath that is another question, and it says, what is the perimeter? And I'm going to give you a clue on number 3. It says draw an 8-centimeter line segment. Remember, line segments have a beginning and an end, right? So that needs to be shown when you do your 8-centimeter line segment. Number 4. Remember, you can always come back and finish up at the end, okay? Or you can pause it. I have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Draw the coins. How much money do I have? Write the amount 2 ways. I have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Draw the coins. How much money do I have? Write the amount 2 ways. Number 5. 5 children have red lunch boxes. 12 children have yellow lunch boxes. 9 children have blue lunch boxes. Shade the graph to show the number of children with each color lunchbox. And you can just use your pencil for this. 5 children have red lunch boxes. 12 children have yellow lunch boxes. 9 children have blue lunch boxes. Shade the graph to show the number of children with each color lunchbox. And then number 6, there it is mixed symbols here. We have multiplication, we have addition, we have subtraction. Remember, I always say to check each problem right. Check each problem twice to make sure you get the same answer. And if you get 2 different answers, do it again because this is tricky. And there is some regrouping involved, and I know you all can do it. Okay,